Namaskar, welcome to Simplify Your Space. With Diwali around the corner, it is the perfect time for a home makeover. This year, I decided to refresh my bedrooms using Amazon's premium and international range. These brands, previously available only in brand stores or official websites, are now easily accessible on Amazon. The best part, these products are currently on great deals during the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. If you like any of the products, you can find the links in the description box. This video is made in collaboration with Amazon. Now, let's get started. First, I wanted to give a makeover to my guest bedroom, which has looked the same for quite some time. To get this room Diwali ready, I ordered a few items from Amazon, which I will show you one by one as I set them up in the room. Let's start with the bedding. To protect all my mattresses from accidental spills and dust, I always cover them with mattress protectors. This time I ordered this Safe Rest waterproof mattress protector, which I really liked. It's made of high quality breathable material and fits snugly like a fitted sheet, keeping the mattress protected and helping it last longer. The pillows in the room had become flat over time, so I got a new set of luxury silk pillows made from 100% microfiber, which feel great. The bedsheet or bed cover is the highlight of any bedroom. A good quality, beautiful bedsheet can completely transform the look of a room. The one I have spread today is from last year and it's still in great condition. This time I got a quilted bed cover from India Circus, which I absolutely love. It's thick, comes with 2 pillowcases and feels luxurious. A bed cover is a bit different from a bed sheet. It's placed over the bed sheet during the day to keep it clean, while also giving a bed a neat and elegant look. You can even use it as a light doher. The color and print are gorgeous and it has completely changed the look of the bed. Next, I got these beige curtains from the Shades of Home brand, which are blackout window curtains. This set of 2 curtains offers amazing quality for the price. I had DIY'd some printed cotton curtains for this room during last year's Diwali. Since they were white and not blackout, a lot of light would come through in the mornings. So this time I wanted proper blackout curtains and I'm really happy with this set. They block about 80% of sunlight. With the bedding and curtains updated, let's now add some decor to give the room a beautiful and cozy look. For wall decor, I ordered this canvas wall art set from India Circus. While the set is usually hung together, you can also use the pieces individually if you like. The vibrant colors and traditional patterns give a beautiful festive vibe and it looks stunning on the wall. For the bedside table, I got this blue diamond cut glass vase from Pure Home Plus Living. It is a premium high quality vase with a beautiful look. Along with that, I added this golden table clock from Decor de Maison, which I absolutely love. Its sophisticated and premium design really stands out. I will place both of these on the side table. The IKEA lamp already on the table is perfect for this space, so I'm not changing that. To add a festive vibe, I'm laying down a table runner on the dresser. And here I'm placing this brown antique finish metal square lantern from Pure Home Plus Living, which has a classy look. Made from premium material, it looks gorgeous and is quite large in size. I also got a gold Fox leather box with a laser cut glass lid from the same brand. It's a beautiful piece with a mirrored base inside. The box will be perfect for storing festival jewelry. No room feels complete without a good planter. So I'm placing a ZZ plant in a golden planter in the corner. Lastly, I will add this anti-slip shaggy fluffy floor rug from Someda collection. And just like that, our room is festival ready. The interiors of this bedroom are simple, but with today's collection, the makeover turned out beautiful. The overall look is elegant and cozy. Loving this transformation. The guest room makeover is done. Now let's make a few changes in the master bedroom. We'll start with the bedsheet. For this room, I chose a bedsheet from the Decor brand's Rani Bagh collection. It's in a reddish magenta color with a beautiful ethnic pattern, perfect for the festive season. The material quality is excellent, made from 100% cotton. Just adding this bedsheet has brought a vibrant look to the entire room. The color really pops and makes the space more aesthetically beautiful. I also added 2 small cushions that complement the bedsheet perfectly. Next, I picked up these beautiful curtains from the Decor brand in a lovely beige color. Each pack contains 1 piece, so I ordered 2 curtains. The texture and quality are stunning. They are made from premium slightly shiny material which adds to their beauty. I have not changed the sheer curtains in this room. For tying the curtains, I found these beautiful golden feather curtain ties on Amazon. They look just as beautiful in real as they do online. These ties look amazing on the curtains and enhance their overall appearance. For the side table, I chose this gorgeous wooden table lamp from Elementary brand. Its lampshade is made of jute, giving it a rustic yet classy look. Since it is quite large, I don't want to add too many decorative pieces on the side table. However, I will occasionally use this essential oil diffuser which fills my room with a natural fragrance. We simply need to add water and a few drops of favorite essential oil and turn it on, and it scents the entire room beautifully. It can also be used for aromatherapy. The best part is that it can change colors among 7 different hues and you can control the mist speed according to your preference. Lastly, we will add this anti-slip shaggy fluffy floor rug from Someda collection. For this room, I chose a plain beige color. After adding everything, I still felt something was missing. To complete the look, I added a blue comforter which pulled everything together for a cohesive finish. I don't want to change the wall art because the current mandala art is already quite beautiful and vibrant, giving the room a traditional festive look. And with that, the small makeover for this room is complete and I'm really happy with the overall look. I hope you too enjoyed the makeovers of both rooms. Our bedrooms are now festive ready, just like the kitchen and dining area. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can purchase all these products at great discount during the ongoing Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. There are thousands of deals in different categories, so do check it out. I have provided the links to all these products in the description box. Thank you for watching. Happy festivals, and I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.